There is an update. Like I said, I don't gatekeep. I'm going to tell you how exactly it is. So I was on live today and I couldn't complete a particular aspect of what I'm supposed to teach you on live. That is converting email from Canva to HTML, then upload it into my CRM. I was using this CRM to email octopus. So I've explained how you can design and every other details in that video. But the part which I have not explained and I was unable to fix due to technical issues I was expecting from my end is how to convert it to HTML and make this design look exactly the same way in Canva. The way it looked in Canva, then it look exactly the same way in Email Octopus. And I've also explained how you can use this email, how you can send this in your Gmail to people with the same structure, the same color, the same design, exactly the way it looks like this. So if you have not watched the video, here is the video. You can go and watch it so you understand where these images come from and where this Canva design is come from and everything I've just said now. So I don't want to take more time on this video. I will just go straight to the point. So we've designed this already and I've explained how to design this in that video that I talked about. So the next thing is to download this. We are going to download this as PDF. So you go to share, then click on download. So this is going to download as PDF. So let's download. Let's wait for it while it download. Yeah. So it's downloading. So once it's done downloading, I'm going to convert it to HTML from a device of from a particular software. So that's the first thing I'm going to do here. So this is the software talking about. It is called con- convert convert you or whatever convert you. So this convert this into HTML for us because where I'm concerned is images. Like I want the images to show. So and that is why I want to do this. So let's choose the file. We are going to choose a file, which is what I just downloaded my email series in PDF format. So click on open. So let's allow it to open and convert. So convert and the output format we are to choose is we want this to be in form of HTML. So we have to choose the output format here. This is the output format that we want, HTML. Then you click on convert. So allow it to load. When it has finished loading and converting, you will see it that it is ready. So it's converting now and it's ready. So it has been converted to HTML. You can see it here. Now we want to download. So we download this. So after downloading, then you go back to Word to HTML. So from here, we want to upload the recent HTML that we just downloaded. So that's exactly what we are going to do here. So I want to scroll down and upload the file. So this is the file I'm uploading. This is my email series. So I'm uploading it. Let's wait for it to upload. Then we'll know what to do next after it has uploaded. So you can see it. This is what I wanted to achieve on my live. It is showing the exact image. The way it is in Canva, that is how it's going to show. You can see all the image are showing and every other thing is showing. So and that is exactly what I want achieve. So what you want to do is to copy this HTML. You will see the prison copy. You copy it, you've copied all the documents in the HTML, then you come to your campaign. You know how we get to this place if you watch the previous video of my life. Like I said, I've connected it to this video. I've also had the link of that live so that you understand what is going on there. So you paste it. You can see this is what I wanted to achieve. I'm so happy that I was able to achieve this. So once you paste it in your email, you see it's showing exactly the way it needs to show, the way it needs to be. There is something else I want to add. There is this disclaimer at the end of email that, oh, you can unsubscribe to our email. So I have a special code that I've set somewhere for that. So I'm going to copy that footer. I will copy the code and add it to this email because I want the disclaimer to show so that people can unsubscribe if they don't want to receive any email further. So they can unsubscribe. So I'm going to scroll down. So this is the last page. So I'm going to add another one to it. So I've already updated it. So when you scroll down here, you will see that part. You see it. You are receiving this because you subscribe at adebisifunke@gmail.com. Unsubscribe. So this disclaimer has to be at the bottom of the email. So I'm going to preview it and probably send a test email to myself. So let me go to preview. So I want to see how this is going to look like. So let's wait for it to load. So it's loading. So you can see this is my preview, and you can actually preview on mobile as well and see how the emails look like. You can see everything is looking good. And the next thing is to send test email to myself. So I'm going to send test email to myself and check my email to see if it's really looking good before I'm going to send it out there to people. So the preview mail has been sent, and I will need to check this from this is exactly how it looks like in Canva, and this is what we want to achieve. So that means this email is good to go and we can launch the campaign and send it out. So it's very easy. Just follow me for more video like this where I'm going to teach you how to use tools in the simplest way. No gatekeeping here. All right, bye bye.